One server, 100 infected machines, all listening to one voice. That's a botnet. This is Net-C2, a Python command and control framework used to run a botnet. We study it to defend. Command and control, or C2, is how one attacker stays in charge of many compromised machines. Net-C2 is an open-source Python framework with a server, encrypted bots, and a web dashboard. It works in 3 steps. The server starts and waits. Bots connect back on an encrypted channel, and from the console, you command them all. First, set it up. Clone the official repository and install the requirements. Step 1. The server. Start it, and it listens for bots to check in on an encrypted channel. Step 2. The bot. A client connects back to the server and waits for orders. Step 3. Command. From the console, you list bots and send commands to any of them. Defense only. Building or running a botnet on systems you don't own is a serious crime. Study this only in your own lab. Want the full breakdown? It's in the description. And subscribe for more.